Some more parts have arrived. Sent on the 14th, arrived on the 18th in Australia, all the way from America. 4 days. That's pretty impressive. Okay, what I received today is timing chain tensioners and chain guides. I kind of wish these were steel as well, because this broke off on my beast. This tip here broke off, and hardened steel cogs, not powdered metal. This chain here is the main chain that runs from the crank to the pulley, and I've got the roller chain. The other older model has a chain like this. It's supposed to be a bit quieter, but I think they stretch too quick with the performance camshaft. So I got the roller chain from the later model, which means I will have to change this what do you call it, tone ring from my engine and put it on to this cog. So I'll have to grind these down and drill them and then replace it with mine one, because these later model ones are different, I believe. I will check, of course, to make sure they are different before I do it, but I believe these here have a different tone ring. I think it's called a tone ring. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. So yeah, I'm also wanted to try. No, it doesn't look like I'll be able to. I wanted to see, I brought two, because I was hoping I could somehow make it a double roller. I'm worried one won't be strong enough for the high pressure valve springs and the new camshaft, but we'll see. That's what, well, I brought one for the red Jeep and one if I ever need one for the overland. Got them at the same time. But I can't run the red Jeep because it's so sloppy. This here broke on the red one, so that's why I haven't been driving the red one. So I was really hoping somehow I'd be able to put a second row on here, but then I've also got the problem of possibly this not being wide enough for two chains. It's just a thing I had in mind. Okay, I also received the roller rockers, the factory roller rockers. Come up, baby. Look, check it out. These are also the later models, because the later models, down. The later model is supposed to have a small hole, but this does not look smaller. It doesn't look very small to me, the oil holder. Worst comes, maybe it is. The earlier ones lost so much oil, and that basically lost a lot of oil pressure because these holes were too big, and the rocket car was basically just filled up with oil. So they made these with a smaller oil hole. I think that maybe they are a bit smaller actually. I do think they are a bit smaller, but we'll see. I'll compare them later. I certainly hope so. but I don't think this is the later model that I ordered. I think the later model ones look slightly different. I don't have any off the vehicle at the moment, do I? No. I don't have any old ones laying around to compare. That's a shame. But anyway, I've got 2 sets of those. I'd be really annoyed if they were wrong. I'd be really annoyed. No, I really don't have any laying around, do I? Otherwise I could just compare. Can you tell me in the comments, maybe? Are these the ones with the smaller holes? Or are these the standard holes? Martin Build, he advised, watching his stuff, he got onto these. And he looked at the difference between the old and the new. So Martin, if you're watching, let me know. Are these the upgraded ones or the old ones? We will see. Otherwise I'm going to have to wait till I replace them. But still trying to get the new camshafts for the twin turbo setup. So we shall see. So parts are coming in. The whole deck is here. These are here. I'm working on forged rods and pistons. Gearbox is ordered. Gearbox has been ordered. Twin plate clutch. Flywheel. Custom. I'll get there. And since we're not going on a holiday right away, I'm going to have to start cleaning the shed and get it cracking. So, for more coming up, you know what to do. Take care.